Capturing quick ideas, explaining a concept, or brainstorming visually often calls for a reliable sketching space. And Whiteboard Pro by Qrayon delivers a clean, responsive canvas that feels like a digital dry erase board in your pocket. Whether you're teaching, planning, or simply thinking out loud, this app gives you fast, intuitive tools to draw, write, or diagram without any fuss. The interface is deliberately simple, allowing you to focus on content, not menus. Just pick a pen, start scribbling, and go. Whiteboard Pro by Qrayon supports smooth handwriting, easy erasing, and quick shape creation, and it's designed to keep pace with real-time thought flow. For educators or presenters, features like screen recording and wireless projection make it easy to share ideas live. Some advanced export formats and collaboration tools may require a purchase, but the base version handles solo sessions with ease. What sets Whiteboard Pro by Qrayon apart is its speed and reliability. Nothing slows you down, and everything works as expected. If you're looking for a straightforward yet capable whiteboard app for thinking visually, Whiteboard Pro by Qrayon offers a thoughtful and efficient space to create without clutter.